This video tutorial I will explain what is Trojan. A Trojan is a type of malware that looks like a normal or useful file or program. But once you open it, it can harm your computer or steal your personal information. It is named after the Trojan horse story from the history, where something dangerous was hidden inside something that looked safe. How does Trojan work? You might download a file that looks like a game, app, or document. When you open it, the hidden malware starts working. It can spy on you, steal your data, or let hackers control your device without you knowing. What can Trojan do? Steal your passwords, photos, and bank details. Delete or damage files on your device. Download more malwares without asking you. Give hackers full access to your computer. Turn your computer into a bot, which is used in cipher attacks. How do Trojans get in? By downloading files from unsafe websites, by clicking on fake ads or pop-ups, through email attachments that looks real but are not, by installing cracked or fake software. What are the different signs you will see when your device may have a Trojan? Your device becomes slow or crashes often. You see new programs or icons which you didn't install. Your internet is slow even when nothing is open. You notice strange activity in your accounts, like emails you did not send. How to protect yourself from Trojans? Use antivirus software and keep it updated. Do not download files from unknown sources. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or ads. Scan all email attachments before opening. Keep your system and apps updated. What to do if you have a Trojan? Disconnect from the internet. Run a full antivirus scan and remove the Trojan. Delete any suspicious programs that you didn't install. Change your passwords, especially if personal data was stolen. Ask a computer expert for help if needed. Now we will see the summary. A Trojan looks like a safe file, but it is harmful. It can steal your data or damage your device. Stay safe by being careful with downloads and using antivirus software. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.